Here's a power strip that you can slide in anywhere. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked this up by TESSAN, and basically what I needed was a power strip to hide behind my bookcase, and the bookcase goes right up against the wall. So this is going to allow me to do two things. It's going to allow me to plug this sucker in to the outlet behind the bookcase and not have to worry about the cord kind of sticking out and compressing and bending it, because this is a flat plug. You can see that. And that was really the first piece of the puzzle here, is to get this flat plug so I can put it behind there and not have to worry about this cord coming straight out and being bent, or pushing the bookcase back and, you know, bending it out. You can see it's grounded here. It does have some thickness right here. It's probably not quite an inch, but pretty close. So it's going to stick out a little ways from the wall. We have a long cord here, but then the other piece that sold me on this was this little power strip. So you can see here, ooh, it's pretty nice, matte white plastic. You can see the warning right there. And what we have here are 4 grounded outlets, so you'll have the ability to plug in some different devices. I love the fact that you have an on-off switch right here on the side. This whole thing here is maybe an inch or a little longer. You have a couple holes. So I'm actually going to mount this to the side of my bookcase so I can put in a couple screws. I don't have to worry about it, you know, just dangling or using double-sided tape. But then also on this side, I have 3 USB ports. And that's really nice, because if I want to put, you know, some of my electronic devices on top, my phone, a little Bluetooth speaker, those types of things, I can have USB cords and USB cords going to charge those devices without having to take up valuable outlets with power blocks and things like that. So let's go ahead and see if this works. As you can see, the cord goes flat against the outlet. So now I can push this bookcase against it and I don't have to worry about it bending. And if I turn it back on, you'll see the LED right there. All right, and you can see the screw holes back here. I put one little screw in there. So if I put that on there just like this, I can put this little flat power strip up here so I know that I have outlets where I need them. If you want to pick up this little power strip, I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.